Number 6. Expand 0.5c minus 3d square. 0.5c minus 3d square. Solution. Now, we have 0.5c minus 3d square. Now, we have a square, and inside this bracket, we have a binomial expression of difference. You can see the minus. So since we are having square, then we can write it as a product of same binomial expression of two of these. So let's write it. So this can be written as 0.5c minus 3d multiplying 0.5c minus 3d. Now, we apply the same principle of expansion. The first term in the first binomial expression is 0.5c. We multiply the whole of the second binomial expression, 0.5c minus 3d. Now we use the second term in the first binomial expression also, minus 3d. We multiply the whole of what? Of the second term. Now the next thing for us now is to expand the bracket. Expand the bracket. Now we use 0.5c to multiply 0.5c. 0.5 multiplied by 0.5 will give us 0.25. So that will be 0.25c squared. Now 0.5 multiplied by minus 3, that will give us minus 1.5. Because normally we have 3 times 5 to be what? To be 15. So once you are multiplying, this is 0.5. Multiplying 3 will give us 1.5. Take note. And don't forget the C and the D. So we have minus 1.5 CD. Now, we move to the next one. This we also multiply this. Minus 3D times 0.5C is the same thing as what? Minus 1.5 CD. Now, the next thing for us to do, minus 3D multiplying minus 3D. Minus times minus is what? That's plus. 3 times 3, that is 9. So we have 9D squared. So in this case, we simplify further. 0.25C squared. Now, minus 1.5 minus 1.5. Once you are adding two negatives, you see, just take the positive and add them together and put minus in the front. Two negative, addition of two negative. 1.5 plus 1.5, what do we have? That is 3.0, which is the same thing as 3. So it means minus 1.5 now plus minus 1.5 will give us minus 3. So we have here minus 3CD plus the last term, 9D squared. So that is the answer to the question. Thank you.